In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail with Google Tasks. Whether you're looking to organize your personal tasks or manage your work responsibilities, integrating Google Tasks into your Gmail can streamline your productivity. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account to access all features seamlessly. On the right-hand side of your Gmail interface, you should notice a vertical menu. This menu includes several icons, and one of them is a blue circle with a check mark, which represents Google Tasks. Click that icon to open your Tasks pane. Once the Google Tasks pane is open, you'll find a blank canvas ready for your tasks. To create a new task, click on Add a Task, which prompts a space where you can type out your task's name. Be as specific or as simple as you like. For example, you might write, Finish the sales report or Buy groceries. Clicking on the task you've just created will reveal more options. Here, you can add details that provide more context or break the task into smaller steps. This feature is handy if you're managing complex projects or need reminders of certain subtasks. Furthermore, you can set a due date, which syncs across your devices and helps you stay aware of upcoming deadlines. Now, if you want to keep everything tidy, you might want to organize tasks into lists. Lists can be project-focused or categorized by personal and work goals. Located at the top of the Google Tasks pane is a drop-down menu labeled My Tasks. Clicking here allows you to create a new list, which means you can store tasks separately based on your preference. Let's shift focus a bit. If you've got an email in your inbox that you need to turn into a task, the integration makes it beautifully simple. Just hover over the email, and as you do, you'll notice a vertical three-dot menu appear above it. Click on this menu and select Add to Tasks. Instantly, a task is created, linking back to that very email. This is incredibly useful for tracking emails that require follow-up actions. Finally, if you're on the move and want to access your tasks on a mobile device, the Tasks app for Android and iOS carries over all functionality from the desktop version. Simply download the app and log in with your Google account. You'll find everything in sync. Remember, regularly checking and updating your Google Tasks can dramatically enhance your efficiency. Set reminders and adjust due dates as your priorities change. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to integrate and manage your to-dos using Gmail with Google Tasks. Try it out today.